Are you looking for the best motorcycle dashcam? In this video, we will break down the top 5 best motorcycle dashcam on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Vsysto Action Backup Camera. As soon as you start the engine of your motorcycle, the Vsysto Action Backup Camera will start recording. It will also stop recording and turn itself off 3 minutes after you turn the engine off. Both of the main and the rear camera are capable of making recordings at 1080p. Both of them are made of a 6-layer glass lens offering a lens angle of 140-degree coverage. This means you may get 280 degrees of total coverage. Also, both of the motorcycle dashcams utilize a Sony IMX323 CMOS image sensor that captures the maximum amount of light even in conditions of low lighting. It records videos in loops of 1, 3, or 5 minutes. The motorcycle camera system will automatically record the new files over the oldest in case the memory card gets full. The device may support storage of up to 128 GB, although the package doesn't contain a memory card. An optional date and timestamp are watermarked over the recording, which is made in INNOVV format. This model is also packed with an IP68 waterproof casing, which is particularly useful. The device is largely resistant to water as it can function at a temperature ranging from 0 to 150 degrees. It is additionally equipped with a 3-inch monitor which provides you with viewing footage in real time or in playback. This dashcam contains an integrated Wi-Fi module for making connections to a smartphone or a tablet that enables you to watch and share videos from the mobile device directly. You can also include a GPS module if you want. Also, it can log your location, speed, and direction at any possible time. At number 2. Blueskysea DVR688 Motorcycle Dashcam. This 2-channel, waterproof video recorder has an expanded 130-degree field of view and can withstand very rainy conditions. The 6G all-glass professional lens has an infrared filter to block infrared rays and reduce glare. It comes with 2 Sony 323+6 light sensors and has 1080p resolution in both the front and rear. This camera is easy to use and program. It features loop recording, and it is particularly bright during the nighttime and in low-light conditions. Picture quality is great, and uploading the files onto the computer is easy. It also provides plenty of footage you could use in court to show what happened during an accident. It is also more than sufficient to capture license plate numbers. At number 3. Blueskysea DV128 Motorcycle Dashcam. This camera features a series of benefits. To start with, both rear and front cameras are waterproof, allowing you to use them in harsh weather conditions. The camera cable is specifically designed to suit various types of bikes. The camera has 130 degrees ultra-wide field of view that reduces blind spots and captures every single detail of the environment. The most impressive feature of this camera, however, is the fact that a quality G sensor it consists of can automatically detect any sudden collision and protect your videos and photos from getting overwritten. At number 4. INNOVV K2 Motorcycle Motocam. This cam comes with a waterproof design and a durable and efficient system when touching the harsh elements. It has a K2 smart power supply module that provokes the parking mode automatically. You can track, explore, and share the recording by tagging GPS. The speed and location data are also recorded in each video file. The camera is from Sony with an Exmor-R CMOS sensor that operates in a wide and dynamic range. The video captured footage is Full HD 1080p at 30 fps. It is a dual-channel, Motocam camera system designed for all types of motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, and UTVs. There is a durable, reliable, lightweight, compact device that won't hinder the riding performance. Even after your adventures, the ride continues with the option to watch the previously recorded footage, download and even share footage via Facebook, YouTube, and more. At number 5. Motowolf M6 Motorcycle Recording Camera. It is an upgrade Camera version and now includes waterproofing in the form of a silicone waterproof casing for the display and IP68 standard for the lenses, plus a cable to use GPS functions. Main features include a 2.7 inches LCD screen with real-time viewing of the front and rear 155-degree cameras. The M6 shoots in full HD 1080p and connects to the light or ignition switch to automatically start and stop with the engine. It can display your speed too, via the smartphone app. Memory capacity is 256 GB.